Bonjour à tous, bonjour Patrick, bonjour Cathy. J'espère que vous allez bien. J'ai une grande tasse de café. Il fait un peu frais en Belgique, mais nous sommes encore plus de 40 à lire cette histoire de Tintin. Et c'est la dernière partie. This is the last part of our book, Les cigares du pharaon. So this is the last part. I hope you remember that Tintin was knocked out by the fakir. He's taking his rifle. But you see, Tintin, he's reacting very quickly. And ow, yeah, he's standing on the hand of the fakir, I think, and he screams out, ow, hurting. Um, okay. And then knocking his head against the door, I imagine. Yes. Oh, les mains, hands up. Huh? Really, it says hide the hands. Milou. Yeah, there. Well, they meet again, Milou and Tintin. Félicitations, cher ami, vous avez réussi un coup de maître. So, congratulations, dear friend, you have succeeded. Un coup de maître, I would say a master stroke. Un coup, it's a stroke. Comment? Vous ne voulez plus m'arrêter à présent? How? You don't want to arrest me anymore? À présent means now. So you don't want to arrest me anymore now. Non, car nous savons maintenant que vous êtes innocent. No, because we know now that you are innocent. Nous l'avons appris par une communication téléphonique de la police égyptienne. So we have learned it or heard it, not learned, by a telephone communication of the Egyptian police. Celle-ci a découvert que le tombeau du pharaon kiosque servait de repère à une bande internationale de trafiquants de drogue. So celle-ci means this one, so the police, has discovered that the tomb or grave of the pharaoh kiosque servait, I would say, served as, but was used as hideout, repère, of a international gang of drugs traffickers. Okay. Parmi les papiers saisis se trouvait une liste noire sur laquelle figurait le nom du Maharaja de Rawatch-Putala et le vôtre. So among papers seized or taken, seized, se trouvait, there were, se trouvait is, to be, it can be found, a blacklist on which figured or were written the name of the Maharaja de Rawatch-Putala and yours. Le vôtre is yours. So their names were written on the blacklist. De plus, on a mis la main sur le plan de ce repère-ci. On top of that, they have mis la main sur. It really means put the hand on, but it means like they got hold of the plan of this hideout. Ce plan nous a été communiqué et nous voici. So this plan, the hideout, has been communicated to us and here we are. Je dirais même plus, nous voici. I would say even more, here we are. Yes, we know they're always repeating. Quant à moi, cher monsieur Tintin, je vous dois la vie. Quant à means as far as I'm concerned, dear Mr. Tintin, I owe you my life. Le mannequin que vous avez mis à ma place dans mon lit a été effectivement atteint d'une fléchette. So the doll or the dummy that you have put on my spot in my bed has been indeed reached by an arrow. So remember that, well, Tintin put a dummy in the bed of the Maharaja and he was then sleeping somewhere else, and they found this little poisoned arrow in the doll or in the dummy. Le fakir, il s'est de nouveau échappé. The fakir, he has de nouveau again escaped. Ah, le bandit. Ah, the bandit, the scoundrel. Il a refermé la porte à clé. He has closed the door à clé, with the key, but it means he has locked the door with the key. Attendez, j'ai un passe-partout. Wait, I have a master key. Bon, mais lorsque la porte sera ouverte, toute poursuite deviendra inutile. Il sera loin. Good, but when the door will be open, all pursuit will become, well, unuseful. He will be far. Bah, nous le rattraperons plus tard. Well, we will catch him later. Rattraperons, that's the future tense. You see the whole verb rattraper in it and then the ending on. So we will catch him later. En attendant, rentrons au palais et envoyons ici des gens qui s'occuperont des autres prisonniers. In the meantime, let's go back to the palace and let's send here people who s'occuperont, who will take care of the other prisoners. S'occuperont is again a future tense. Un peu plus tard au palais. A little bit later at the palace. Seigneur, Seigneur, Son Altesse, votre fils. Sir, Sir, Your Highness, your son. On l'a enlevé. They have kidnapped him. Enlevé is kidnapped. Deux hommes en auto. Two men in a car. Ils viennent de s'enfuir. Yes, ils viennent de, that's again this construction, you call it the recent past. They have just, so in English you would say they have just, in French you will say ils viennent de, well, they've just fled, s'enfuir. So now we are page 58. Vite au garage du palais. Quick to the garage of the palace. Ils ne peuvent avoir une grande avance. They cannot have a big, well, advance, or they cannot be, yes, very far already. Attention, tenez-vous bien, nous partons. Watch out, hold on well, we are leaving. Ah, look at that. Vroom, the car is gone. Cramponnez-vous bien là derrière. Cling onto the car very well there behind. Ça va barder. Ça va barder, that's an expression to say, well, sparks will fly, it will be hell. Les voilà, les voilà. There they are, there they are, there they are. Grand maître, nous sommes poursuivis. Accélérez. Big master, we are followed. Accelerate. You see there, they're in the mountains. Impossible, la voiture donne son maximum. Impossible, the car donne is giving its maximum. It's at the highest speed. Cannot go faster. Nous gagnons du terrain. So we're gaining ground. Cette fumée? That smoke? Que se passe-t-il? What's happening? Oh, les malheureux. Oh, the miserable ones. Ils auront dérapé dans le virage. Yes, they will have slipped, dérapé, in the curve. Ah, but see, it's a trick. They're up there. Dès qu'il descendra pour se rendre compte, nous sauterons dans sa voiture et nous filerons. So as soon as he will descend, he will go down. Se rendre compte means like to realize or to understand what happened. Nous sauterons. We will jump in his car and we will drive away. All future tenses. Et si c'était une ruse? And if it was a trick, nous allons bien voir. We are going to see. Zut, il ne descend pas. Shoot, he doesn't go down. Il va retourner au palais et nous serons sans voiture. He is going to return to the palace and we will be without car. Pas de ça, mon gaillard. Not that, my fellow, my lad, gaillard. Oh, and I think, are they shooting? Yeah. Oh. So now we are page 59. Ah, les gredins. Ah, the scoundrels. J'ai bien fait de me méfier. I have well done to méfier. It's like mistrust, like not to trust them. Impossible de l'atteindre. It's impossible to reach him. Continue à le tenir en respect. Moi, je file avec le gosse. So, what shall I say? Continue to keep him, I would say, at gunpoint, en respect, at gunpoint. Me, I run away with the kid. Ah, yes, they have the son of the Maharaja. Où diable peut-il être? Where the devil can he be? Je ne le vois plus. I don't see him anymore. Haut les mains, bandit, et jette ton arme. So hide the hands, but it means hands up, scoundrel, and throw away your weapon. Là, ça va mieux comme ça. There, that's better like that. Un détail, mon revolver n'était pas chargé. Just a detail, my revolver or my gun was not charged, was not loaded. Tiens, quelle coïncidence! Well, well, what a coincidence! Moi, je n'avais précisément plus de cartouches. And me, I hadn't precisely any cartridges anymore. À nous deux, mon ami. To the two of us, my friend. So both of the weapons, none of the weapons are loaded. And then the other one is fleeing with the kid, but he's stepping on a rock. The rock is falling down on the head of the fakir. Voilà du travail tout fait et bien fait, ma parole. There you have work that is all done and well done, my word. Et maintenant, pendant que Milou surveille le fakir, continuons la poursuite. And now, while Milou is doing the surveillance, as like guarding the fakir, let's continue the pursuit. So Tintin is climbing on the rocks. Tonnerre, cet enragé est toujours à mes trousses. Que faire? Oh, thunder, that lunatic is still on my heels. What can I do? Attends, mon gaillard, avance encore un peu. Just wait, my fellow. Avance, go forward a little bit more. Horror! So Tintin, he sees the rock that's coming down. And we are on page 60. You see the rock is coming down. Tonnerre de tonnerre, thunder of thunder. C'est raté. It's missed. I missed. Crack. So the rock is breaking. You see, he's falling down. Oh my God. Le malheureux, Dieu et son âme. The miserable, God has his soul. God bless him. Qui était-ce? Who was he? Il a emporté son secret dans la mort. He has taken his secret in his death. So they don't know really who he is. Ah, voilà le fils du Maharaja. Ah, there you have the son of the Maharaja. Nous pouvons rentrer au palais. We can go back to the palace. And you see here they're driving. Milou, the son of the Maharaja, the fakir. Et quelques minutes plus tard, and a few minutes later, mon fils, my son, père, father. Et maintenant, Altesse, il ne me reste plus qu'à prendre congé de vous et à continuer mon voyage. And now, Your Highness, il ne me reste plus que. That means like the only thing to do to me is prendre congé, to say goodbye to you and to continue my trip. Non, non, Tintin, je ne veux pas que tu partes. No, no, Tintin, I don't want you to leave. Permettez-moi, cher ami, d'insister à mon tour. Restez donc au moins quelque temps. Allow me, dear friend, to insist. On my turn, stay at least a little time, a little bit, stay a little longer. Eh bien, Altesse, j'accepte avec plaisir votre invitation. Well, Your Highness, I accept with pleasure your invitation. Hurrah, hurrah, hooray, hooray. And then here you see you have the article in the newspaper, Affaire du Caire, and then everything is described, how Tintin helped to find all those criminals. So now we are on page 61, and this is definitely the most beautiful picture, my favorite picture of the book. You see such a wonderful colors. It's really wonderful. You see Tintin here, you see Milou, you see the Maharaja, you see the elephants. It's wonderful, I think. So, quelques jours plus tard, a few days later. Vive Ramsès II! Long live Ramses II. Vas-y, mon petit gars, passe au centre avant. Come on, little man, go to the center in front. Vive Sésostris. Long live Sésostris. You see here the two lunatics, here and here. Hurrah, bien dribblé, shoot au but. Hooray, hooray, you dribbled well. Shoot to the goal. Well, they think it's a football match, I think. Altesse, il serait bon de faire venir ces deux hommes au palais. Your Highness, it would be good to make these two men come to the palace. Je vais vous expliquer pourquoi. I'm going to explain to you why. Et la cérémonie terminée, and the ceremony is finished. Salut à toi, ô noble pharaon. Hello to you, ô noble pharaoh. Toujours aussi fou. Well, still totally crazy. Apportez des cigares à ces messieurs. Bring cigars to those gentlemen. Halte! Il ne faut pas toucher aux cigares du pharaon. Stop! You shouldn't touch the cigars of the pharaoh. Aha! You see, Tintin also wonders, what is that? And the very last page of the book, dites-moi, je voudrais savoir d'où viennent ces cigares. Tell me, I would like to know from where are coming those cigars. Ce sont les cigares de l'ancien conseiller de Son Altesse. These are the cigars of the previous counselor of His Royal Highness. Je savais qu'il en avait beaucoup. I knew that he had a lot of them. Et comme il n'en restait plus d'autres, j'ai pris ceux-là. And as there weren't left any others, I've taken those. So he took the ones from the counselor of the Maharaja. C'est bien cela. It's very well that. Les mêmes cigares que ceux trouvés à l'entrée et à l'intérieur du tombeau de kiosque. The same cigars as those found at the entrance and inside the grave of kiosque. Les mêmes que ceux du colonel arabe. The same as those of the Arabian colonel. Voyons ça de plus près. Let's see that from a little bit closer, plus près. Je m'en doutais, de faux cigares. Yeah, je m'en doutais. It means like I had doubts about that. False cigars. Une simple cartouche de tabac et dedans de l'opium. A simple cartridge of tobacco and inside opium. Voilà comment ces bandits déjouaient toutes les recherches de la police. Look there how those criminals, déjouer means to outsmarted all the research of the police. C'est bien, reconduisez ces deux messieurs. It's okay, drive back those two gentlemen. Ah, voici notre carrosse. Ah, there we have our carriage. You see what kind of carriage it is? La voiture de ces messieurs est avancée. Well, it's really the car of you gentlemen is advanced, but I think in English we would say, your ride's here. Your car is ready. You see, this is the car they're driving in. Eh bien, mon jeune ami, vous avez fait du bon travail et amplement mérité un peu de repos. Well, my young friend, you have done good work and largely deserved a little bit of rest. Grâce à vous, voici le monde débarrassé pour toujours d'une bande d'odieux malfaiteurs. Thanks to you, here is the world débarrassé, gotten rid of for always, of a gang of odious criminals. Puissiez-vous dire vrai, Altesse, if only you could say true, if only it could be true, Your Highness. Seul l'avenir nous l'apprendrait. Nous l'apprendra, sorry. Only the future will tell us. You see, and then you see fin, it's the ending. And then you see something is written here. The idea of Tintin, it's visible, is that his adventures in the extreme Orient, or in the far, far East, are far from being finished. And en effet, indeed, they continue in. And so the next book we're going to read is Le Lotus Bleu. I finished my coffee and I'm going to Brussels, and I wish you a very, very happy Tuesday, a very nice Tuesday. And I hope you will be also there for the next book, Le Lotus Bleu.